It wasn't the dishes. It wasn't your kid asking the same question twice. It wasn't the slow Wi-Fi. Chip has the file on what it actually was. Number 1. Meet Mara. You have a department that handles something nobody ever taught you to track. How much patience you have left today. Her name is Mara. Think of it like this. Every morning, Mara hands you a full glass of water. That's your patience for the day. It's not unlimited. It has to last until bedtime. Every annoying thing that happens takes a sip out of that glass. Someone cuts you off in traffic? Sip. Your phone buffers for the 3rd time? Sip. Your coworker asks, "Did you see my email?" for the 4th time? Sip. None of these sips look like much on their own. That's the problem. You don't notice a glass getting empty one sip at a time. You only notice when it's gone. Number 2. Real life. Here's what this actually looks like. Not in theory. You wake up, the alarm didn't go off properly. Sip. You're rushing, can't find your keys. Sip. Traffic is worse than usual. Sip. Your boss sends a message right as you sit down. Can we talk? No context. Sip. Lunch gets pushed because of a meeting. Sip. The meeting runs long. Sip. You finally get home, completely exhausted. Then your partner says, "Did you take the trash out?" And you snap. Loudly. Over trash. Your partner is confused. You're confused. The trash was nothing, but the trash was never the thing. The trash was simply whatever happened to be standing there when the glass hit empty. If it had been, "What's for dinner?" you would have snapped. "Can you grab some milk?" you would have snapped. The question didn't change. How much water was left in your glass did. Number 3, why it feels sudden. Here's the part that confuses people the most. There is no warning. No notification. No vibration. No little message saying, "Warning, patience, 10% remaining." It simply runs dry. Silently. Then whatever happens in the very next moment gets blamed for the entire day. You didn't overreact to something small. You reacted to running out. Number 4, the sips nobody counts. Now, here are 3 things that quietly empty the glass without you ever noticing. Number 1, holding things in. Someone says something that bothers you. You smile. You say, "It's fine," but it wasn't fine. That costs Mara almost exactly the same as losing your temper. Number 2, small decisions. What to wear, what to eat, which email to answer first. By 3 o'clock, you've made hundreds of tiny decisions. Every one is another sip. Number 3, unfinished thoughts. That comment your coworker made at 9 this morning, you think you let it go. You didn't. It's still running quietly in the background, still costing you. Number 5, why breathing isn't enough. This is why just take a deep breath sometimes works, and sometimes does absolutely nothing. If your glass is 30% full, a deep breath buys you time. If your glass is already empty, no breathing exercise can refill it in 3 seconds. The fix has to happen earlier. Number 6, what refills the glass? 3 things actually put water back. First, remove decisions. Pick tomorrow's clothes tonight. Plan tomorrow's lunch today. Every decision you remove is 1 sip that never happens. Second, close the open files. That conversation that's still bothering you, write it down. Talk to someone. Finish it. Third, take 10 real minutes of doing nothing. Not scrolling, not emails, not notifications. Just sit. Outside, or stare at the wall. Sometimes doing nothing is exactly what Mara needs. Exit. You didn't snap because something is wrong with you. You simply ran an entire day on one glass of patience, and the trash just happened to be standing there when it ran out. Mara isn't broken. She just never got a bigger glass for a day this loud. Chip picks up the cracked mug. This time, he sets it down gently. Report closed. What was your actual final straw today? Not the big thing, the small one. Tell Chip in the comments. Mara's keeping the receipts. This has been Chip's Control Room. Subscribe!